Experience the joy of BBQ and dining any time of the year with Gourmia's Foodstation Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. This exceptional kitchen appliance brings the authentic flavor and texture of grilled delights right to your kitchen counter. With the ability to grill, air fry, bake, roast, and dehydrate, this amazing combo offers built-in presets for a wide range of cooking options. Enjoy stress-free cooking with Nonstick and Dishwasher-Safe Grill Grate and Air Fry Basket, making cleanup a breeze from start to finish. Here are the key features of Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer Raclette Grill with Smoke Extracting Technology. Grill with no smoke, just flavor. Say goodbye to outdoor BBQ limitations and welcome the Gourmia Foodstation Smokeless Indoor Grill. This electric grill delivers smokeless extraction and direct contact heat from below onto a heavy-duty cast metal grate. Enjoy the full flavor and texture of an authentic barbecue experience right in the comfort of your home, without any of the smoke or hassle. Immerse yourself in the joy of indoor electric grilling without compromising on taste. Air fryer, crispiness with less fat. Indulge in crispy and healthier fried favorites with the advanced airflow system of the Gourmia Foodstation. This technology circulates heat from every direction, ensuring authentic fried crispiness with up to 80% less fat than traditional deep frying methods. Relish guilt-free indulgence as you savor the crispy textures of your favorite foods, knowing that you are making a healthier choice for yourself and your loved ones. Versatile cooking functions. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities with the Gourmia Foodstation Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. This versatile appliance offers 5 one-touch cooking functions: grill, air fry, bake, roast, and dehydrate. With 50% more cooking capacity than other air fryer grill combos, you have the freedom to cook larger batches to feed your family and friends. Prepare mouth-watering grilled meats, perfectly air-fried snacks, baked goodies, roasted vegetables, and even homemade jerky with ease and precision. Smoke extracting technology. Experience real indoor grilling and searing with virtually no smoke, thanks to the Gourmia Foodstation's built-in smoke extractor. This innovative feature ensures that you can enjoy the flavors and aromas of grilling without any unwanted smoke filling your kitchen. Embrace the convenience and comfort of smokeless cooking, giving you the freedom to enjoy BBQ-style meals all year round. Convenience and easy cleanup. The Gourmia Foodstation Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is designed with your convenience in mind. The non-stick grill grate and air fry basket are removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with easy maintenance and spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your delicious creations. Guided cooking prompts. Achieve optimal results every time with the guided cooking prompts of the Gourmia Foodstation. The optional preheat feature ensures that your grill is ready to go when you are, while the add food prompt reminds you when it's time to add your ingredients. The turn reminder ensures that your food is cooked evenly, guaranteeing a perfectly grilled or air-fried outcome with each use. Fryforce 360 degrees technology. Experience the power of Fryforce 360 degrees technology with the Gourmia Foodstation. This innovative technology targets food with fast, superheated air from every direction, ensuring your fried favorites are crispy and delicious with little to no oil. Indulge in the flavors you love while reducing your oil intake and enjoying healthier versions of your favorite dishes. Comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Rest assured with the Gourmia Foodstation, as all Gourmia appliances come with a 1-year comprehensive international warranty. This warranty provides you with the confidence and peace of mind that your investment is protected, ensuring a worry-free and enjoyable cooking experience. Conclusion: elevate your BBQ experience and enjoy the delights of grilling and air frying all year round with the Gourmia Foodstation Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. From authentic grill flavors to healthier fried favorites, this versatile appliance offers a range of cooking functions and advanced technologies to satisfy your cravings. Embrace the convenience, efficiency, and smokeless cooking experience this appliance provides. Upgrade your culinary repertoire, entertain with ease, and embark on a journey of flavorful delights with the Gourmia Foodstation.